Now we solve question number 3 of exercise 2.3 class 10 NCERT. Question is, obtained all the zeros of 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if two of its zeros are root over 5 by 3 and minus root over 5 by 3. These are the two zeros and we have to find two more zeros. So let us solve. Since these are the two zeros, so since right here, since root over 5 by, since two zeros are root over 5 by 3 and minus root over 5 by 3. So x minus root over 5 by 3 and x plus root over 5 by 3 are the factors of the given polynomial. Are the factors of the given polynomial. These are the two factors. Because if it is equal to 0, then x is equal to plus root 5 by 3, and if it is 0, then x is equal to minus root 5 by 3. So these are the two zeros and these are the factors of the given polynomials. Now let us find the product. Now x minus root over 5 by 3 into x plus root over 5 by 3. This is under root over. This is under root. Okay. Then if we multiplied it, you will get a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square plus b square. A square minus b square. This is x square and plus minus minus, and this is b square. Root over 5 by 3 is 5 by 3. Because if you square the root over, you will get only the same number. Because root over means 1/2 power. 1/2 power into 2 is equal to 1. So it is 5 by 3. This implies that x square 3. And if we write it in this way, 3x square. 3x square minus 5 divided by 3. Then if it is equal to 0, then this is the factor. This implies that 3x square minus 5 is a factor of the given polynomials. Is a factor of the given polynomial. That is this one. This one. This one. So let us solve. Factor of the given polynomial. Now we will apply the division algorithm by applying division algorithm. Division algorithm. We apply the division algorithm. What will be the division algorithm? That is equal to 3x. If we divide it, this polynomial, this one, x is 3x square minus 5 and the given polynomial. So we can divide it and check it. 3x square minus 5 and divide the numbers. 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. If we divide it, you will get the other polynomial by which we can find the other two zeros. So let us divide. If we divide it, we will get, what will be the first term? This is 3, this is also 3, this is x square, this is x to the power 4. So if we divide it, we will get x square. So x square will be the first term in the question. Then 3, this is 3 x to the power 4 and plus minus minus and 5x square. So this don't write here minus 5x square in front of x square, because this is x square term. So let us subtract. This is minus and this is plus. This term will be 0. This is left 6x cube and this is plus. 2 is greater than 5, so it will be plus 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3x square. 3x square, and then afterwards right here find the next term in the quotient. This is 6x cube and this is 3x square. That means, and both are positive, so write positive sign. If we divide it, we will get 2x. Then 2 into 3 is 6, and x square into x is equal to x cube. And plus minus minus, and 2 into 5 is 10, and this is x terms. So don't write here. It will be in front of x terms. So write here minus 5 to the 10x. Minus 5 to the 10x. Okay. Subtract it. This will be plus. Now what is left? This term is left, 3x square, and minus 10x and plus 10x. Both will be 0. Both will be cancelled. And what is left here? Minus 5 is left. Okay. Minus 5 is left. This is 3x square and this is also 3x square. So quotient will be 1, because if you multiply it by 1 you will get the same term, 3x square, and plus minus minus, 5 into 1 is 5. So if we subtract it, we will get 0. So this is the factor of this number, 3x square. So we can find that this implies that 3x to the power 4 minus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 is equal to 3x square minus 5 and 2x x square plus 2x plus 1 by division algorithm, because if you multiply these two you will get this one, and we have already in the question it is given two factors from this factor, and we will get the next two factor from this expression. So let us find the other two zeros. So its other zeros is, first we factorize and then we will find the other zeros. Now x square plus 2x plus 1 by this one we can find the other two zeros. By this we have already from in your question it's given two factors from this one, and we will find the two zeros from this term. So let us find the two zeros. Factorize it. If we write in this way, x square plus x plus 1, then we will get the factors x common, take x as common, then x plus 1 is left, and here it is x plus 1. So x plus 1 is the factor, and here also x plus 1. So we can find this implies that x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 1. Okay, x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 1. Then what are the zeros? That's all the zeros are. All the zeros of the given polynomial are 5 by root 3, 5 by root 3 minus 5 by root 3. This is given in the question, and here we can find it minus 1 and minus 1. These are the zeros of the polynomials. And next we will solve the other question in the next class.